Just like you girls have trouble.
Hold up.
You ever noticed when you're working with a guy and you get to a place where he's pushing the market, if he's holding your hand, you hold it tighter. Because he feels, you know what, she's mine and none of you all are going to do anything. There's that natural thing to protect. And the same thing to provide. So when you go out, they want to. I know in that situation, it kind of was a bit odd for you to bring your friends that day. Because people have felt like, okay, there's 2 guys and 2 girls, so you should pay for her.
It was not much. It was not much. And usually, like when I'm with my friends, sometimes, you know.
Yeah.
And I carry the money in the group.
You do that.
Yeah. But yeah, sometimes I'm not usually. Didn't say sometimes I carry money. And in that instance, I had the cash. So I was like, I'm not paying for
Okay,
us.
so you
I already had the mentality. I'm coquette. I usually try and pay for myself, but then people just
But
want to pay.
in general, this is the thing. It's not like guys feel like. I think first of all, it's media. Media has painted the picture
That guys have to pay.
Guys have to pay all the time, and guys feel less of themselves if you go on a date and then you pay for yourself or you pay for the date. That's what media has channeled guys to pay. In as much as yes, we want to pay all the time, but when you want to spoil a guy, there's nothing wrong with you spoiling a guy for a bill.
Not many guys allow you to spoil them with your own money.
That's the thing. It's not easy because
you think you don't see it. They'll give you money, and the very last good, and you're gonna spend it on them. They think they're sneaky.
The thing is this: when also as an individual, they're trying to get into your brain because they're thinking, okay, if I do this, if I don't pay, she's gonna think I'm cheap. And then she's gonna go.
Oh, so now you think I don't have that? You think I don't think that? If I don't pay now, I'm gonna feel like okay. Some instances, yes, you call me off by surprise. I did not budget for you, so it's okay. I'm gonna tell you, oh, dude, listen, I didn't have money today, so yeah, I give you a heads up. But no, I don't have money today.
But society, if
society says that I don't have to say that because
society says if there's 2 people sitting. Right, the guy is paying. So in the event that they probably both of you are broke, no one has got money, you finish your meal, the waiter or the manager is gonna go more to the guy and be like, you're gonna have to work, you're gonna have to clean the dishes here, but something's gonna have to happen. So what I'm trying to say is,
I've never been in that situation, but okay.
What I'm trying to say is, in as much as you might feel like it can happen both ways, but society has painted it such that guys are more expected to do that. So you need to bear in mind that. But I would say, I think this is the reason why most relationships fail. Or most
communication. I feel like communication. Because you need to understand what type of person you're with. You know? For me, I feel like I don't mind. Yes. But for me, I also sometimes would like to pay for you because I think, in a way, that's something that I like to do, take care of people.
But
so
also,
if you don't let me do that, that's gonna be some type of weight to me. I'm gonna be like, oh, so what you thinking?
What you gotta understand is the guy needs to understand your love language. But if they don't understand your love language,
use that word.
Okay, take it this way. Yeah. You gotta understand how men think for you to be able to relate to them. So because guys want to provide, because naturally guys are providers. So you gotta give him that flow, and then once in a while spoil and surprise him, because he's gonna feel so much less of himself, even if he knows the intentions were good. But something inside him, because of this natural thing of men have this thing of I need to provide, I need to protect, I need to be there for my neighbor. Ever seen when even if your brother is younger than you, but at some point in the house he wants to feel like he's the man of the house.
That's my brother, guys. He thinks he's our father, guys.
That's the thing.
He'll be like, I'm like, dude, what? And you're wearing a vest, if you're full. Movie fasting, Gucci. What do you? I go and be like, don't worry, it's again. But I feel like in a way that he took that from our dad. Like,
No, it's not like he took it from anyone. Every guy out there, they want to be there for their sisters. They want to protect their sisters. And you find in homes where probably there's no father figure there, and there's a brother. The brother may actually subconsciously do it into the mom and be like, "How bad this is?" Yes, and make himself there. So this whole money thing that you spoke about, yes, it's on the surface, but the root of it is actually that guys just feel like they need to protect, they need to provide, and they feel like if they don't do that, they're doing themselves a disservice, and they less than who they should be. But it's a lesson to guys out there that it doesn't make you any less.
Doesn't make you any more.
It doesn't make you any more.
I feel like I feel like it needs to be addressed. Not every girl is out to get your money.
But also there's girls who want it. So now, how will a guy? You can tell. How will a guy know if this girl that he's met is more for the money, or she's just chilled in the life? She just wants it.
Cool. You're just gonna pay for me without talking to me. What is weird?
Topic, so he might feel like if I ask about it, the girl is gonna be weird. It's gonna weird him out.
I think I don't know. Hey, I don't know. I think maybe
Is it because of person?
No, I just think I don't know. I think it's because apparently I'm a control freak.
Oh yeah.
Apparently, a lot of people have said it, but I don't really believe it sometimes. But then in this instance, I'll use that apparently it's true. I think for me, it's about not about having control per se. It's about
would I say it's being stereotypical by saying these girls and chicks are like that?
What?
That they want to also pay.
No, I get asazi. I don't know. You can't take one person to represent the whole race. Like you can't say women have money.
It's things that I've heard.
No,
guys say
you can't. Eh? You can't. It's like the stereotype because a woman but can demand. You can't just that person who probably started that rumor.
Is it true?
I don't like money. I obviously I like. I don't like people's money. I like my own money. I obviously money is essential. You need money. Like if you wanna sponsor me for no reason, just because exists, sponsor me. I'm not saying no. Unless you
but would you feel bad? Or rather, nicely putting it, but would you demand for less money?
Demand? No.
Like demand more as in like.
Oh, dude, I'm your girlfriend.
Like
you must
girlfriend allowance.
I was the one that was going to walk.
What do you think of girlfriend allowance?
I would rather go blind. I think it depends on the relationship. Apparently guys usually give their girlfriends money because they want them to always look nice. You found me looking cute. You found me looking nice. What makes you think I need your money to look nice now? And does. But it's okay.
The thing is, you get a raw material.
I feel like I'm finesse.
Whoa.
Listen.
Hey! Taking words from my mouth.
I think I'm good. Okay, maybe. Oh no, just spoil yourself. Because I spoil myself with my money. Maybe if I spoil myself with his money, then he's spoiling me.
Yeah, exactly. I think it should be.
I'm okay with that. If you wanna have like allowances, is he gonna get boyfriend allowance too?
No, definitely not. There's nothing like that.
Oh,
I've never heard of that.
I don't know. Maybe they work something out like, oh, I got girlfriend.
Maybe 10 allowances.
Hey, guys, we need to change society. It's too late.